Okay, now I got to get out of here quick before some more troops arrive. Now, what we got to do is kill Indiana Jones. What the? How did you get here? I'm a little pink doggy. Are you magical? Yes. Yes, I am. Can you please move? Yes. Yes, I can. I hope Dr. Jones never gets out of that little doggy. Ah, he moved. As I stroll through the jungle without any more problems. That's it. I'm going to use this green rifle to kill him. What the heck? I better get to take some cover. Hurry, shoot him again before he gets away. Ah! This should take cover before they find me. Okay, I hope they don't find me here. Okay. I hope this is fun in the tree before something cuts it down. Okay, this looks really safe. Now it looks like they're gone. Well, that looks good. They're gone! What a surprise! Now how do we get off this trench? Oh!
Me!
Hey, Cody.
Huh?
Alex is bringing some shoes over for you guys, and then you guys can go play at their house.
Okay. Go, Luke.
No, you're going to take a nap.
Go, Luke.
No, you're going to go night-night.
Oh. Look at Cody.
Okay. Okay, this looks perfect enough. I hope that